Hi guys, good morning to one and all. Now welcome back our favorite video channel HGVS. This is B Ramesh. Now let us continue Senior Inter Maths Circles. In this video we discuss third model of the sums. First of all, how to solve these examples. After that, let us continue same exercise. Here the given example is find the equation of the circle whose center is -1, 2 and which passes through the point 5, 6. Here to find equation of circle, given center and the circle passing through the point 5, 6. Now we take one diagram. Here this is the center. Center is denoted by -1 and 2 and we take that point 5, 6. Required circle passing through this point. Therefore, that point lies on the circle. Let it be some A, 5, 6. Here to find distance between C and A, clearly we get this is radius of the circle. Now we go to the solution. Given that center C equals to -1 and 2 and required circle passing through the point A, 5, 6. First to find radius of the circle. Here radius equals to distance between the point C and A. Now using distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square root of plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here we substitute these 2 points in this formula. In this 5 plus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square. Therefore 5 plus 1 whole square means 6 square, that is 36, plus 4 square means 16. We get radius of the circle is square root 52. We know that equation of circle, given center and to find radius using the formula equation of circle, which is the standard form of the circle, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now which implies here substitute center and radius in this equation. X minus of -1, x plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to square root 52 whole square. Now it can be simplified that this is x square plus 2x plus 1 plus in this y square minus 4y plus 4 equals to, in this RHS square root and square cancel, that value is 52. Now which implies that x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y, here 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 minus 52, that is minus 47, which is equals to 0. This is the required equation of circle. This is the solution for example 4. Now next problem is, if the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equals 0 has the center at 2 and 3, then find the values of a and b and the radius of the circle. Here given center of the circle and equation of circle. To find the constants a and b, coefficients of x and y, and also to find radius of the circle. So in this problem, given that given equation of circle is x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equals 0. Here we observe that comparing with general form of circle, in this 2g equals to a and 2f equals to b. Given center C equals to minus g minus f, that equals to 2, 3. Now here we observe that in this g equals to -2 and f equals to -3, equating the coordinates. Minus g equals 2, that means g equals -2, minus f equals 3 means f equals -3. Now we substitute the values in this one. Therefore a equals to 2 into -2, that equals to minus 4 and b equals to 2 into minus 3 that equals to minus 6. So this is the values of a and b. And also to find radius of the circle. So radius. The formula of radius of the circle is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now here substitute g, f and c. G is minus 2. So minus 2 whole square means 4. F is minus 3, that is 9. Minus 3 whole square means 9. Minus c. Minus of c is minus 12. And c equals to minus 12. So minus of minus plus 12. So 12 plus 4, 16. 16 plus 9, square root 25. Now here, square root 25 means 5. This is the radius. Therefore, a equals to minus 4, b equals to minus 6, and radius r equals to 5. So these are the required values of the given sum. Similarly, in example 8, if the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus a equals 0, which circle has radius 4, then find the constant a. Now we go to the solution. Given equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus a equals 0. First of all, to find center of the circle. Center c equals to, comparing with general form of circle, here 2g equals to minus 4 and 2f equals to plus 6, which implies g equals to minus 2, f equals to 3. Center of the circle is minus g minus f, that equals to minus g, minus of minus 2 plus 2 minus f minus 3. This is the center. And radius equals to, already given radius of the circle is 4, that equals to 4. Now using the formula of the radius, that is square root of g square plus f square minus c, equating given radius, that equals to 4. Now we substitute g and f in this one, that is square root of 2 square plus minus 3 whole square minus c equals to 4. Now here square root of 4 plus 9 minus c equals to 4. Now, square root of 4 plus 9 is 13 minus c equals to 4. Now squaring on both sides, 13 minus c equals to 16. Squaring on both sides, which implies c equals to 13 minus 16, that equals to minus 3. Therefore c value is minus 3. So this is the solutions for this sum. Now let us discuss the solutions of the problems in exercise 1a. Here in the first Roman, second one is find the equation of the circle passing through the origin and having the center at minus 4 minus 3. Already discussed the same model in example number 4. So here given the center of the circle, given that center c equals to minus 4 comma minus 3, let it be some hk, and required circle passing through origin O00. Here this is the circle, this is the center, this is the origin. So that is minus 4 minus 3. So compulsory origin lie on the circle because of that circle passing through the origin. So this is O00. First of all we calculate the distance between C and O. Let it be, that is radius. So therefore radius equals to R equals to CO. In this, using distance formula, minus 4 minus 0, that is minus 4 square, 16, plus minus 3 minus 0, that is 9. So square root 25, which equals to 5. This is the radius. Now we know that given center and radius, to find equation of circle using standard form of the circle. We know that standard form of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now we substitute the values hk and r in this equation. Here x minus, h means minus 4, that is plus 4 whole square plus y minus, k means minus 3, that is plus 3 whole square equals to r means 5 whole square. Now it can be simplified that this is x square plus 8x plus 16, the form of a plus b whole square. Similarly, this is also same formula, y square plus 6y plus 9 equals to 25. Now x square plus y square plus 8x plus 6y, here 16 plus 9, that is 25 equals to 25. Now we observe that in both sides 25 is there. Now we cancel. We get equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 8x plus 6y equal to 0. Here we observe that this equation is passing through the origin. Now we know that any circle is passing through the origin, then the circle, in the equation of circle, constant is 0. Here there is no constant. Here the constant value is always equals to 0. Any circle passing through the origin, which is the equation of the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equal to 0. Here c equals to 0. So here also the constant is 0. This is the solution for this question. Now the third problem is find the equation of the circle passing through the point 2 minus 1 and having the center at 2 3. Here given center and one point. This is the center C 2 3 and the point is A 2 minus 1. First of all, to find distance between the point C and A, that is the radius. Here given center C equals to hk, that equals to 2 3, and also required circle passing through the point 2 minus 1. Since required circle is passing through the point 2 minus 1, therefore that point lie on the circle. So here radius equals to r equals to AC, that equals to square root of, using distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Here substitute these 2 points in this one. Here 2 minus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 1 whole square, that equals to, in this is 0, 2 minus 2 means 0, plus 4 square, so that equals to 4. Therefore radius equals to 4. Now we know that stand form of the circle. That is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now substitute center and radius in this form, then we get x minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 4 square. Now we can simplify that x square minus 4x plus 4, this is the form of a minus b whole square. Here also using same formula, y square minus 6y plus 9 equals to 16. 4 square means 16. Therefore x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y, in this 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 13 minus 16, that equals to 0, which implies required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 3 equals 0. This is the solution for this question. Now fourth one is find the equation of circle passing through the point minus 2 3 and having the center 0 0. Here also given same model sums. In this, first of all we take one diagram. This is the center already given, that is C0 0, and also required circle passing through the point minus 2 3. We take that point lie on the circle A minus 2 3. given center of the circle C equals to, let it be HK, that equals to 0, 0, and required circle passes through the point A equals to minus 2, 3. Next, to find distance between these 2 points, that is the radius. Radius equals to R equals to CA, using distance formula, x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, square root of. Now we substitute the points center and given point. In this, 0 plus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square, which implies 2 square, that is 4, plus 9, that equals to square root 13. This is the radius. Now we know the standard form of circle. Standard form of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now substitute center and radius in this standard form, which implies x minus, center is 0, 0. So x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, that equals r square, means square root 13 whole square. Now here this is x square plus y square. In this, square root and square cancel, that equals to 13. Therefore, which is equation of required circle. This is the solution for this problem. Now similarly, next problem is find the equation of circle passing through the point 3, 4 and having the center minus 3, 4. Now we take one circle. In this, the center is minus 3, 4. This is C. And the circle passing through the point 3, 4. We take that point, let it be A, lie on the circle. Now we calculate CA. Here also, given center equals to C equals to R pair HK, that equals to minus 3 and 4. And required circle is passing through the point A of 3, 4. First of all, we calculate distance between CA. Then we get that is radius. So radius equals to R equals to CA. Using distance formula, square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Now we substitute the points in this, minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. Here in this is 6 minus 6 whole square, that is square root 36, that means 6. This is the radius. We know that standard form of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Now we substitute center and radius in this equation. X minus h means minus 3, that is plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4, k means 4, y minus 4 whole square equals to r square means 6 square. Now it can simplify that. This is x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 8y plus 16 equals to 36. Therefore, x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y, here 9 plus 16, that is 25. We take 36 to left side, minus 36 equal to 0. Therefore, equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 6x minus 8y, 25 minus 36. In this, we get minus 11. This is the solution for this question. Therefore, these are the solutions for given 4th and 5th problems. Now the sixth one is find the value of a if equation 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equals 0 represents a circle and also find its radius. Here we know that one condition, that is general form of an equation. Let us take one equation, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. We know that this equation represents a circle. If and only if following three conditions. That are, first one is a equal to b, second one is h equal 0, third one is here g square plus f square minus ac is always greater than or equal to 0. Now in this, the given equation, comparing with the given equation 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal 0. This equation represents a circle. So here clearly we know that a equal to b. That is, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. From equation 2, the first condition is a equals to b. So here coefficient of x square equals to coefficient of y square. Now which implies here coefficient of x square is 2, coefficient of y square is a. Therefore a equals to 2. This is the value of a. Here using any second degree non-homogeneous equation represents a circle. It following three conditions, that are a equal to b, h equal 0, g square plus f square minus ac is greater than or equal to 0. Now using these three conditions, let us find the value of a to the given equation. Similarly, in this we observe that coefficient of xy equals 0. Already in a given equation, coefficient of xy is 0. Here we observe a equals to 2. First of all, from equation 2, our equation of circle is 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 equal 0. Here we divide with 2. Now the equation can be converted to x square plus y square minus 3 by 2x plus 2 by 2, that is y minus 1 by 2 equals 0. Now to find center of the circle. Here center C equals to minus g minus f. Clearly here 2g equals minus 3 by 2. Now in this g equals to minus 3 by 4. So minus g means plus 3 by 4. And minus f. Minus f means here 2f equals to 1. F equals to 1 by 2. So here we take minus f means minus 1 by 2. Now this is the radius. R equals to, the formula is g square plus f square minus c. Now we substitute g, f and c in this equation. Here in square root of g square means 3 by 4 whole square. In this 3 by 4 whole square means 9 by 16 plus minus 1 by 2 whole square, that is 1 by 4. In given equation c equals to minus 1, we take minus c. So minus of minus plus 1, since c equals to minus 1. Now we can simplify that. In this we take LCM 16. This is 9. 4 4 just 16. 4 into 1 4 plus 16 into 1 16. So 29. So square root 29 by 4. This is the radius. Now in the given problem, to find value of a and find its radius. So here a value is 2 and radius equals to square root 29 by 4. Because of the given equation represents a circle. This is the solution for this question. Now the seventh one is find the values of a and b if ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equals 0 represents a circle. Also find the radius and center of the circle. Here also the same model for problem number 6. In this given equation is ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equals 0. Since given equation represents a circle, which is equation 1. Since equation 1 represents a circle. Then we know that coefficient of x square equals to coefficient of y square. First one, coefficient of x square equals to coefficient of y square. From this condition onwards, x square coefficient is a, coefficient of y square is 3. So the value of a equals to 3. And also to find the value of b, here we observe coefficient of xy equals to b. But equation 1 represents a circle. Here clearly we know that coefficient of xy equals to 0. Since equation 1 represents a circle, then from second condition, condition of general form of circle, we have coefficient of xy that equals to h. Here h means from equation 2 b that equals to 0. Therefore b equals to 0. This is the value of b. Similarly, here we find radius and center. First of all, to find center, from equation 1, the required equation of circle is, here a equals to 3. 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 equals 0. Now we divide with 3, then x square plus y square minus 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3y minus 1 equals 0. This is the general form of the circle. Now using this equation to find center. Center equals to, the formula is minus g minus f. Here we take 2g equals to minus 5 by 3. 2g equals minus 5 by 3. G equals to minus 5 by 6. Already in center, minus g here. Therefore, equating the values, then we get minus g means 5 by 6. Similarly, minus f equals to, here 2f equals to 2 by 3. F equals to 1 by 3. Now we take minus f equals to minus 1 by 3. So this is the center. Similarly, radius. Radius equals to, the formula is square root of g square plus f square minus c. In this we take g means minus g whole square, that is 5 by 6. So 25 by 36 plus f square minus 1 by 3, that is 1 by 9 minus c, minus of minus plus 1. Now in this we have to observe square root of, we take LCM 36, in this 25, 9 4 is 36, 4 into 1 plus 4 plus 36. Now we can simplify that, square root of 29 plus 36. In this 9 6 15, 4 plus 2 65. So square root 65 by square root 36, that is 6. So this is the radius. Radius r equals to square root 65 by 6. This is the radius, this is the center. This is the solution for this question. Now in the solution of sixth one, here we observe that c equals to minus 1 by 2. So minus c means plus 1 by 2. So here we take this value, 2 8 is 16, 9 plus 4 plus 8. So 30 plus 8, that is 21 by 4. This is the radius. Here radius equals to square root 21 by 4. In 8th one is, if x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equal to 0 represents a circle with center 2 and 3. Find the value of g, f and its radius. Here given equation, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy minus 12 equals 0. Let it be, which is equation 1. Here since equation 1 represents a circle, since equation 1 represents a circle, then clearly we know that in general form of a circle, coefficient of x square equal to coefficient of y square, and also here coefficient of xy equals to 0 in general form of second degree non-homogeneous equation. Here we observe that this is represents a circle. Then we know that center of the circle is center C equals to minus G minus F. Here already given center, that is 2 and 3. Now equating the centers, then minus G equals to 2 and minus F equals 3. Therefore G equals to minus 2 and F equals to minus 3. These are the values of G and F. And also in the given equation, constant C equals to minus 12 and C equals to minus 12. To find radius using radius formula, radius equals to square root of G square plus F square minus C. In this we substitute G, F and C. Minus 2 whole square means 4. F square minus 3 whole square means 9. Minus of minus plus 12. In this 16 plus 9 square root 25. Therefore radius equals to 5. This is the radius. So this is the solution for this sum. Ninth problem is also same model. Here also the given equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equals 0. Here from the equation center C equals to minus G minus F. Already given center, that is minus 4 minus 3. Now equating these two centers, which implies equating corresponding components, minus G equals to minus 4 and minus F equals to minus 3. From these two equations, the value of G is 4 and the value of F equals to 3. And also find radius. So radius R equals to, the formula is square root of G square plus F square minus C. Now in this formula, we substitute G, F and C. In this, G value is 4 square, F is 3, that is 3 square. In this equation, constant is 0. So minus 0. Now that equals to square root of 16 plus 9, that equals to square root 25, that equals to 5. This is the radius. Now the 10th one is, if x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c equals 0 represents a circle with radius 6, then find the value of c. Here given equation of circle. Equals to x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus c equal to 0. In this center c equals to, the formula is r pi minus g minus f. Here we observe 2g equals to minus 4. Comparing with general form of circle, 2g equals to minus 4, g equals to minus 2, divide with 2. So g equals to minus 2, here minus g means plus 2. So minus g means plus 2. Here we observe 2f equals to plus 6. Now here f equals to 3. Minus f means minus 3. So r by 2 minus 3 is the center of the circle. And also given radius of the circle. From this equation, radius r equals to, using the formula, that is g square plus f square minus c. Already given radius in the problem. Now equating, that equals to 6. Now which implies, here substitute g and f in this one. G square means 2 square, 4. F square means minus 3 whole square, 9. Minus c. So e is not known. That equals to 6. Now squaring on both sides, 4 plus 9, 13. Minus c equals to 36. Here squaring on both sides we have. Now from this one, c equals to 13 minus 36. That equals to, here 6 minus 3, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. So minus 23. Now here, therefore c equals to minus 23. This is the solution for this problem. So these are the solutions for given problems which are in based on theorem number 1, that is the general form of a circle. Here we take the circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. Here to find center, that equals to minus g minus f, radius equals square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now to find center and radius to the given equations. Also given equation comparing with general form of circle. Here that circle holds three conditions, that are the first one is, in this first one is a equals, second one is 2h equals 0, that means h equals 0. This is coefficient of xy. In third one, that is g square plus f square minus ac is always greater than or equal to 0. Now these conditions holds any second degree non-homogeneous equation that represents a circle. So these are the solutions for that model. So continue next problems in the same exercise in the next video. Thank you one and all. Wish you all the best.